Welcome to the world of sharing value. In a world where artificial intelligence is transforming industries and shaping the future, Microsoft and LinkedIn have joined forces to bring you an exciting opportunity. Introducing the Professional Certificate in Generative AI, and the best part? It's absolutely free. Career Essentials in Generative AI by Microsoft and LinkedIn. This comprehensive certificate program consists of 5 carefully crafted courses. Designed to give you a deep understanding of generative AI and its applications. Course 1. What is generative AI? This course delves deeper into the mechanics and capabilities of generative AI. You'll discover how it enables machines to generate unique and creative content. Course 2. Generative AI, the evolution of thoughtful online search. Takes you on a fascinating journey into the world of search engines powered by generative AI. You'll witness how it enhances search results, making them more accurate and tailored to individual preferences. Course 3. Streamlining Your Work with Microsoft Bing Chat. In Streamlining Your Work with Microsoft Bing Chat, the 4th course, you'll explore the practical applications of generative AI in streamlining communication and collaboration. Learn how Microsoft Bing Chat utilizes generative AI to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. Course 4. Ethics in the Age of Generative AI. You'll grapple with the ethical considerations surrounding this powerful technology. Gain insights into responsible AI development, privacy concerns, and the impact of generative AI on society. Course 5. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. This course is designed for project managers, product managers, directors, executives, and students starting a career in AI. Get a high-level overview of the top tools in the field. First, see what it means for a system to display intelligence. Then, learn algorithms and techniques involved in machine learning, artificial neural networks, and deep learning. Once simplified, AI looks less like magic and more like an exciting new set of technology tools. Upon successful completion of all 5 courses, you'll be awarded the Professional Certificate in Generative AI, a testament to your expertise in this transformative field. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to expand your knowledge and advance your career in artificial intelligence. Enroll in the Professional Certificate in Generative AI today and unlock a world of possibilities. Link given in description below. Subscribe us for more of such amazing updates on artificial intelligence and generative AI models. Keep sharing value.